Hi. I'm Sina Abbasi from dggraphic.net. Today we want to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop 2020. You can change any hair color with this trick. In this tutorial we use saturation option. You can download image links in description below. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop CC. Put Ctrl and J button for make a copy from image layer. And then click on mask icon, make mask layer for new image layer. Now, go to layer menu, new adjustment layer, and hue, saturation. Click OK. You can move hue slider for change hair color. You can change slider to any color. Pick eraser tool for erase some part of saturation layer. Right click on screen and set eraser tool size and hardness. And erase all face and body. Now go to saturation layer and make it on. Then click on image mask layer, hold Ctrl and left click on mask unit for selecting layer, and hold Shift and Ctrl and I button, for reverse select. Now click on saturation mask layer and put delete button. Good. Now you must pick eraser tool and make allage parts of hair better. This time set hardness on 0. Set opacity on 25%. It's better. Now pick eraser tool and hardness on 0. Pick paint bucket and hold Alt and choose a cold color from image. Click on empty layer and move it to up. Change layer mode to color and move up layer again and set layer opacity to 23. Now you can make better age with eraser tool again. And you can change hair color to any different colors. Thanks for subscribe our channel. Go to Image, Adjustment, Contrast. Change brightness or make harder lines. Now go to Layer, Adjustment Layer, Heu Saturation. Click OK. Change hue color. Go to Saturation Mask Layer. Pick Eraser tool and right-click on screen for set size and hardness. Set opacity on 100%. Cut some part of face and body. Set opacity on 23%. And erase this part of face. Make new layer and pick paint bucket and chose cold green color. Left click on screen in empty layer, go to layer mode and set on color. Set layer opacity on 20%. Well done. Thanks for watching. You can put comment on my channel videos and say what do you want. You can say, hi, I need logo design tutorials. Okay, and we make logo design tutorials and publish soon. Thanks for subscribe our channel.